So, the long-awaited GoPro Max 2 is coming, but not as soon as we'd hoped. A recent leak has given us a sneak peek at what might be the next big thing in 360-degree cameras, while GoPro's CEO has shed light on the company's future plans. So, what's the plan? Let's find out! A mysterious image popped up online, courtesy of industry insider Quadro. At first glance, it doesn't reveal much, but look closer, and you'll spot some interesting details. The camera sports a round lens housing, a throwback to the original Max that sets it apart from GoPro's usual boxy designs. There's also a small screen below the lens, similar to what we saw on the first Max. But here's where things get really interesting. The camera's body is covered in prominent ribs. Now, why would GoPro add those? Well, if you've used the original Max, you might have experienced its tendency to overheat. These ribs could be GoPro's clever solution to keep things cool, allowing longer recording times without the dreaded shutdown. The leak also hints at a larger lens, which could mean better performance in low light. It's a small detail, but one that could make a big difference for users who like to shoot in challenging conditions. Now, before we get too excited, let's remember that leaks aren't always 100% accurate. Things can change before a product hits the shelves. But it's fun to speculate, isn't it? Moving on to the more concrete news, GoPro's CEO, Nick Woodman, recently spilled the beans on the company's plans. Here's the not-so-great part. The Max 2 has been delayed. We were hoping to see it this year, but now it looks like we'll have to wait until at least the end of 2024. This delay puts GoPro in a tight spot. Their rival, Insta360, just released the X4, a camera that's been turning heads with its 8K capabilities. By the time the Max 2 arrives, the original Max will have been on the market for 5 years, practically ancient in tech terms. But it's not all doom and gloom. Woodman painted an exciting picture of GoPro's future. He talked about expanding their product line, hinting at fun and exciting alternative capture solutions coming our way. GoPro isn't just sticking to action cameras. They're branching out into areas like tech-enabled motorcycle helmets. It seems they're determined to shake things up and reclaim their spot at the top of the action camera world. So, what can we expect from the Max 2 when it finally arrives? While we don't have official specs, it's safe to say GoPro will be pulling out all the stops. They'll need to at least match the Insta360 X4's 8K 60 fps video if they want to stay competitive. And you can bet they'll be working hard to improve battery life, durability, and overall performance. For now, we'll have to be patient. But if these leaks and GoPro's promises are anything to go by, the Max 2 could be worth the wait. It has the potential to not just fix the problems of the original Max, but to set a new standard for what a 360-degree camera can do. As we count down to the Max 2's release, keep your eyes peeled for more leaks and announcements. The next year might be a bit quiet on the GoPro front, but it looks like they're gearing up for a big comeback. Whether you're a loyal GoPro user or just curious about the latest tech, the Max 2 is definitely one to watch. In the meantime, if you're itching for a new 360-degree camera, the Insta360 X4 is out there turning heads. But who knows? Maybe GoPro's delayed release will give them time to come up with something truly spectacular. What do you think? Share with us in the comments section below. Subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.